Good morning to all of you. Myself Gholap Nitin Namdev from Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borawke College, Department of Chemistry. In our last lecture, we have started new chapter, that is hydrocarbons in 11th chemistry. In this chapter, we discuss some concept in hydrocarbon, that is chemical properties of alkanes, and we have in our previous lecture we discussed classification of alkanes and isomerism in alkanes. In this chapter we start new point, that is chemical properties of alkanes. In this chapter we start new point, that is chemical properties of alkane. In chemical properties of alkane, we discuss reactions of alkanes. As we know that due to the COVID-19, some topic in this chapter has been deleted, that is combustion reaction, pyrolysis reaction, reforming reaction. The only reaction we discuss in chemical properties of alkane, that is halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of alkane we study in this point, that is chemical properties of alkane. As we discussed in previous chapter, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Now first reaction is halogenation of alkanes. Before starting the halogenation of alkanes, it is essential to know that the substitution reaction, because in halogenation of alkanes, this reaction is follow under the substitution reaction. So it is essential to know that the definition of substitution reaction. What is meant by substitution reaction? The reaction in which the atom or groups of atom in a molecule is replaced by another atom or groups of atom. It is called as substitution reaction. It is called as substitution reaction. In halogenation of alkane, substitution reaction is occurs. In halogenation of alkane, substitution of hydrogen atom of alkane by X. X means halogen. X is equal to chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Means hydrogen atom in a alkane is replaced by chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. Substitution means one atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or groups of atom. In halogenation of alkane, we discuss reaction, chlorination of methane. We discuss one example, chlorination of methane. When alkane methane is react with chlorine gas in presence of UV light or in presence of high temperature 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin. It gives chloromethane plus hydrochloric acid. The general reaction is alkane plus halogen in presence of UV light or high temperature, that is 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin. It gives alkyl halide plus hydrogen halide. This is the general reaction. When methane is react with chlorine gas in presence of UV light or in presence of high temperature, it gives chloromethane plus hydrochloric acid. Now see, this hydrogen or any of the hydrogen in methane is replaced by another chlorine. We see already this definition of substitution reaction. Atom or groups of atom is replaced by another atom or groups of atom. It is called as substitution reaction. This atom in methane is replaced by this Cl. Here is hydrogen is replaced by Cl, and this hydrogen comes and bonding with this Cl and form a new covalent bond with Cl, that is hydrochloric acid. Here is a chloromethane. Now again this chloromethane again react with chlorine gas in presence of UV light, ultraviolet light, or in presence of high temperature, that is 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin. It gives dichloromethane, means one more hydrogen in the methane is replaced by another chlorine. It gives dichloromethane. Here is two hydrogen, one hydrogen is already replaced, second hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, and it forms a dichloromethane plus hydrochloric acid are as a side product. Now this dichloromethane when again react with chlorine gas in presence of UV light or in presence of high temperature, that is 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin, it gives trichloromethane plus hydrochloric acid. Here is again one hydrogen is replaced by another chlorine and forms a trichloromethane, means in this stage there is a one more hydrogen is replaced and total 3 hydrogen is replaced by 3 chlorine atom and forms a trichloromethane as a product. When this trichloromethane is again react with chlorine gas in presence of UV light or in presence of high temperature, that is 573 Kelvin to 773 Kelvin, it gives CCl4, means tetrachloromethane as a product plus HCl, hydrochloric acid. Means this in the methane all hydrogen are replaced by this chlorine and forms a CCl4, carbon tetrachloride as a product plus HCl. This is the substitution reaction occurs in halogenation of alkane. We see reaction of chlorination of methane. Now in this reaction, when tetrachloromethane is obtained as a major product, when it is obtained as a major product, tetrachloromethane is obtained as a major product when excess of chlorine gas is used. When we use Cl2 in excess, when we use chlorine gas in excess, then tetrachloromethane is obtained as a major product. And this chloromethane is obtained as a major product when excess of methane is used. When excess of methane is used, then chloromethane is obtained as a major product. And when excess of chlorine is used, then tetrachloromethane is obtained as a major product. This is the chlorination of methane. Next point in this chapter is uses of alkanes. This alkane is where this alkane is used. Uses of alkane. Its first use is lower liquid alkanes are used as a solvent. Next use is first 4 alkanes, that is methane, ethane, propane, butane. First 4 alkanes it is used as for fuel and heating purpose. For fuel purpose it is used for cooking purpose. For example, methane gas. Methane gas you use in our house for cooking purpose. In biogas construction we use methane gas. Means first 4 alkanes, it is used for cooking and heating purpose. And this alkanes, it is also used in automobiles, CNG and petrol. CNG and petrol, it is also used in automobiles. This is some basic uses. This is some basic uses of alkanes. This is some basic uses of alkanes. Next point in hydrocarbon chapter is alkenes. We see some point included in alkane. Next point is alkenes, means carbon-carbon double bonded compounds. Their properties, their reactions, we see in alkenes. Carbon-carbon double bonded compounds are included in alkenes. Alkenes means what? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Alkenes means what? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond, and these compounds are included in alkenes. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. General formula of alkene is Cn, and where N stands for number of carbon atom. As compared to alkane, in alkene there is a 2 hydrogen less in alkene. So general formula of alkene is CnH2n, where N stands for number of carbons. Next subpoint in alkene is isomerism in alkenes. Next subpoint in alkene is isomerism in alkenes. In our previous lecture, we discussed in alkane isomerism in alkane. What is meant by isomerism? Isomerism, in simple word, isomerism means same molecular formula but different structural formula. It is called as isomers. When two compounds has same molecular formula but different structural formula, then these two compounds are isomers of each other. We see isomerism in alkane. In isomerism in alkanes, there are two types of isomerism, that is structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism. We see examples of structural isomerism. First example, molecular formula is C4H8. We have already discussed general formula of alkene, that is CnH2n. As compared to alkane, there is a 2 hydrogen less in alkene. We see first example, molecular formula C4H8. Now first isomer is, first possible structure is CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. Number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another possible structure is CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. Number of carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of hydrogen is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 and plus 3, that is 8. Number of hydrogen 8. Another possible structure is CH2 double bond C, CH3, CH3. Means these three are isomers of each other because their molecular formula is same. We have already discussed in isomerism, same molecular formula but different structural formula. In this three structure 1, 2, 3, they has a same molecular formula but different structural formula. These three structures are isomers of each other because they have a same molecular formula but different structural formula. Name of the first structure is but1ene. We have already discussed IUPAC nomenclature in basic principles of organic chemistry. IUPAC name is but1-ene. Second structure IUPAC name is but2-ene. We have select first longest continuous chain. These rules we have discussed in previous chapter, that is basic principles of organic chemistry. This is second isomer. This is third 2-methylpropyl-1-ene. These three structures are isomers of each other. Their molecular formula is same, but their structural formula is different. So their IUPAC name is also different. This is a structural isomerism. Next type is geometrical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, it has also two types, that is cis isomer and trans isomer. What is meant by cis isomer? When same groove or same atom lies on same side of double bonded carbon, then this structure is called as cis isomer. Same groove or same atom lies on same side of the double bonded carbon. It is called as cis isomer. This is same groove. This is a same group. This is a same group. This same group lies on same side of the double bonded carbon atom. This same group lies on a same side of the double bonded carbon. So this is the cis isomer. When same group lies on same side of double bonded carbon, then this isomer is called as cis isomer. And when same group lies on opposite side of the double bonded carbon atom, then this isomer is called as trans isomer. When same group, this is same group, this is same group, when same group lies on opposite side of the doubly bonded carbon, then this isomer is called as trans isomer. This is called as trans isomer. Look at here, this is same group Y, this is we see general Y and Y. This is same group lies on opposite side. This X lies on opposite side. This Y lies on same side. This X lies on same side. This is cis, this is trans isomer. Okay, we have stop here. Thank you.